Hey guys, this is just like a really small video, but you know that I have loads of gems, like a lot of gems. Well, why don't I just donate them? Because like that's what I do. So like I don't want this many gems. I would rather save cats. And like just imagine if I get like a positive player flag like right after this. That'd be fun. But like I don't really mind. Because like I want to save these cats. Giving them a lot of gems. So basically what I'm doing right now is getting rid of my gems. I'm gonna keep quite a bit of gems because like I need stuff for Rarity Mondays and stuff. Like buying stuff, so I'll give so I only have like 100 left, 100,000. Which is still quite a lot, but like, I don't know. I'm watching Jasmine, so I'm sorry if you can actually hear her in the background. Because my screen recorder doesn't really pick up much sound. It does pick up a little sound, but like, I don't know. Na na na. I'm giving gems to save big cats in the place. Okay, well that's good. Now we have to give them the gems. They deserve it. Now there's only going to be 2 more. Here we go. Okay. And there we go. Done. Now I have that much gems. And like, I don't know. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for watching.